Hey everyone! Welcome back to Kuki Decor, your go-to space for creative and stylish home inspiration. In today's video, we're getting crafty with some adorable mini wood decor ideas that are perfect for adding charm and personality to any corner of your home. Mini wood decor is all about those small touches that make a big impact, whether it's a tiny rustic sign, a cute wooden shelf, or a handcrafted plant holder. These projects are not only super fun to make, but they're also budget-friendly, beginner-friendly, and a great way to bring a warm, natural feel into your space. We'll be using simple tools and materials, so whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, there's something here for you. Plus, many of these ideas are perfect for gifts, markets, or just brightening up your own space with a personal touch. So grab your supplies, get cozy, and let's start creating some wooden magic. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more DIY inspiration and creative home ideas every week. Let's jump in. Mini wood decor ideas offer a wide range of advantages that make them an increasingly popular choice for homeowners, interior decorators, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Their charm lies in their simplicity, adaptability, and natural aesthetic, which together create a powerful design element that enhances any space. Unlike large, bulky decorations that require significant space and investment, mini wood decor items are compact and versatile, making them ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, offices, or cozy homes where every inch of space matters. These small-scale wood accents bring warmth and texture to a room without overwhelming it, and their size allows for easy placement on shelves, desks, countertops, windowsills, or even mounted on walls. They offer an easy way to refresh your space with seasonal changes or evolving styles, since swapping out a few mini pieces is much more affordable and manageable than redecorating an entire room. In addition, mini wood decor has a timeless quality that effortlessly blends with various interior styles, whether it's rustic farmhouse, modern minimalist, vintage chic, bohemian, or Scandinavian. The natural wood grain, warm tones, and handcrafted feel give each piece a unique personality, making even the smallest decor elements feel intentional and special. The use of wood as a material is another major advantage, as it is both sustainable and durable. Many mini wood decor ideas can be created from reclaimed or scrap wood, promoting eco-conscious living by reducing waste and giving new life to leftover materials. This approach aligns with the growing trend of environmentally friendly and mindful consumer habits. Beyond its sustainability, wood is also an incredibly durable material, capable of withstanding time and use far better than many plastic or synthetic decor alternatives. This longevity means that mini wood pieces don't just look beautiful when first crafted or purchased, they continue to bring charm and value over the years. Wood also ages gracefully, developing a rich patina that can enhance its aesthetic appeal even further. Whether left in its natural state, lightly sanded, stained, or painted, wood provides endless creative potential and a tactile quality that's hard to replicate with other materials. Another compelling advantage of mini wood decor is how accessible and affordable it is for DIY projects. You don't need a fully equipped workshop or years of experience in woodworking to start creating beautiful and functional mini wood pieces. With just a few basic tools, like a small saw, sandpaper, glue, and paint or stain, anyone can start crafting. Many mini decor ideas require very little wood, meaning you can often use offcuts or inexpensive craft wood from local stores. This makes it a great hobby for people looking to start DIY decorating without spending a lot of money. The simplicity of these projects also makes them perfect for families, kids, or group activities, allowing for creative bonding time and hands-on learning. Whether you're making tiny plant stands, personalized name signs, coasters, key holders, or miniature shelves, each project can be as simple or as complex as you want it to be, giving you full control over your creative process. Mini wood decor also offers an emotional and sentimental advantage. Handmade pieces carry with them a sense of thoughtfulness and personal touch, which makes them excellent gifts for friends, family, or special occasions. A hand-painted mini sign with an inspiring quote, a small wooden heart, or a customized ornament can become a treasured keepsake far beyond its size. People often value the effort and love put into handcrafted items more than mass-produced decorations, and mini wood decor perfectly fits this emotional niche. Whether given as a birthday present, wedding favor, holiday gift, or simply a gesture of appreciation, these tiny wooden creations have the power to evoke strong connections and meaningful memories. Additionally, incorporating wood decor into your home allows you to express your personality and creativity in subtle yet impactful ways, creating a living environment that feels more you. In a world where trends come and go, mini wood decor offers a sense of stability and grounding. Its connection to nature brings balance and calmness into interior spaces, especially in a time when many people are seeking comfort and relaxation at home. The tactile, organic quality of wood contributes to a more peaceful atmosphere, whether it's through the soft edges of a handmade wooden tray or the rustic charm of a tiny wall plaque. It's not just about the visual appeal, it's about how it makes you feel. Many people find that surrounding themselves with natural textures like wood helps reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance overall well-being. Mini wood decor enables you to integrate these benefits without the need for major renovations or expensive purchases. Furthermore, the customization potential of mini wood decor adds a whole other level of appeal. Since you're often working on a small scale, it's easy to experiment with different styles, finishes, patterns, and techniques. You can try wood burning, stenciling, decoupage, or engraving to make each piece truly one of a kind. This adaptability also means you can match your decor to specific color schemes, seasonal themes, or personal preferences. Whether you want a soft pastel look for spring, a warm rustic feel for autumn, or a minimalist black and white style for a modern touch, mini wood decor can be easily tailored to fit your vision. For people who enjoy crafting or want to sell their creations at markets or online, this level of customization is a major advantage because it allows for more variety and a stronger personal brand. On a practical level, mini wood decor items are easy to move, rearrange, store, and even ship. Their small size makes them highly portable, allowing you to freshen up your space often without needing to invest in or haul around heavy pieces. This is especially useful for renters or people who like to change their interiors with the seasons. You can pack away and rotate your mini wood decor throughout the year, bringing out cozy pieces in the winter and lighter, brighter designs in the spring or summer. If you're running a small craft business or selling online, mini wood decor is ideal because it's lightweight and cost-effective to ship, broadening your potential customer base. In addition to all these benefits, mini wood decor ideas also foster a deeper appreciation for handmade craftsmanship and traditional skills. In a world dominated by fast fashion and factory-made goods, choosing to decorate your home with handmade wooden items supports a slower, more intentional lifestyle. Whether you're making the pieces yourself or supporting a local artisan, you're helping to keep traditional skills like woodworking, carving, and hand painting alive. There's a certain satisfaction that comes from creating something with your own hands, knowing that it reflects your style, effort, and creativity. It also encourages mindful decorating, choosing pieces with care rather than accumulating clutter, resulting in a home that feels curated, peaceful, and authentic. Lastly, mini wood decor holds appeal across generations and cultures, making it a universally loved decor choice. It can be elegant or playful, subtle or bold, rustic or polished. Its wide-ranging appeal makes it suitable for nurseries, kitchens, living rooms, offices, patios, or even weddings and events. It's one of the few decor styles that can feel just as appropriate in a modern loft as in a cozy countryside cottage. This universal versatility is part of what makes mini wood decor ideas so compelling. They adapt to your lifestyle, your needs, and your creative inspiration, while still grounding your space in something real, warm, and enduring. And that wraps up today's video on mini wood decor ideas. Thank you so much for watching. As you've seen, these small but mighty pieces can completely transform your space with charm, warmth, and personality. Whether you're decorating a cozy corner, adding a personal touch to a gift, or just exploring your creative side, mini wood decor is such a fun and rewarding way to make your home feel uniquely yours. The best part? You don't need a huge budget, tons of tools, or a lot of space to get started. With just a few simple materials and a bit of inspiration, you can create something truly beautiful and meaningful. These projects are perfect for beginners, families, or anyone looking to unwind and enjoy a bit of DIY magic. From rustic to modern, playful to elegant, the possibilities are endless and completely customizable to your taste and style. If you enjoyed these ideas and feel inspired to try your own mini wood projects, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our weekly DIY inspiration and decor tips. I'd love to hear which project was your favorite or see your own creations, so feel free to drop a comment below or tag us on social media. Thanks again for spending some creative time with me. Keep crafting, keep decorating, and remember, sometimes the smallest details make the biggest difference. See you in the next video.